Hi, I'm Rashmeet. I'm here to share my experience with Wellcure, and I have joined personalized couple coaching program with Achal ma'am. I was trying to conceive naturally from last 6 months and also consulted to doctor. She suggested me for ovulation study, but then we decided to join Wellcure. I saw many advertisement on Instagram, and we joined couple coaching program by Anchal Kapur ma'am in August 23, and I won't believe that in just 15 days I conceived naturally by following her diets and therapies religiously. I used to get in stress many times that whether I will conceive or not. But as I joined Achilman program, she taught many things like visualizing and to write positive fertility thoughts. All these things helped me a lot to conceive naturally. I have also tried homeopathic treatments, but it also not worked on me. I would really recommend to those who are struggling from infertility issues to join Achal ma'am's coaching. She is really amazing and will definitely help you out in your journey. Thank you so much, Achal ma'am, for helping out in this journey and making my dreams come true.